Hi everyone, welcome to Ohun Ede Yoruba TV.
According to what we taught before, we talked about the alphabet in Yoruba, alphabet Yoruba, and we talked about how the way we join the vowel with the consonants that make it alphabets. So today now, the third one, I said the alphabet Oro Ohun, the letter of the alphabet A B D A F E G B I J K L M N O O P R S Š T U W Y. The third one I said is Oro Ohun. The first one is Oro letter, Oro consonanti, Oro Faweli. The third one Oro Ohun. Oro Ohun yẹn la fẹ́ ṣe lónìí. That's the third one, the sound of the voice. The sound of the voice. The first one I thought is Oro Consonanti. The second one is Oro Faweli, which is called vowel. And the third one is Oro Ohun. Which one that we are going to talk about today? Oro Ohun. What is the meaning of Oro Ohun? That is, Oro, that the voice you are making. That voice, how did it go? Go up, down. The middle one, that is the voice. Let's see. Oro Ohun, we call it Ami Ohun, which is the sign of voice. The third one now, we want to start this to remind us that we talked about consonant vowel. So this one is the sign of the voice. Now let's start for today. Oro Ohun. And what is Oro Ohun? Ìyẹn ni pé àmì ohùn. Àmì ohùn. Signs. We say signs. What are the signs? In the mathematics, we have what is greater than, less than, equal to. The sign of the less than, this is it. Less than, you can do your hands like this. Use your right hand. Less than, greater than, this is it. Sorry. Oh, we have, this is the sign. This is the second sign, and the third one doesn't have any sign. This is less than. Your right hand, you do it like this. Your right hand, you do it like this. Less than, then greater than, that is your left hand. What is the meaning of all this? This one we have it's divided into three parts. What are the three parts? The three parts are àmì ohùn, àmì ohùn òkè, àmì ohùn àárín, àmì ohùn ìsàlẹ̀. This is àmì ohùn òkè, that is the one that go up. This is me, we call it me. You can see that they say do re mi fa sol la ti do. So it's just like the sound. So mi, the middle one that we call it ami àárín, the middle sound. If you get your Bible, you can see that when they say àárín in the olden days, they will do something like this at the top of the letter, but we doesn't use this one again. It doesn't have any sign, but we call it re. We call it re. And àmì ohùn ìsàlẹ̀, that is the deep one, down sign. We call it do. This is the sound do. Less than, greater than. The less than is do. It be like this. You use your right hand, do. You bend it like less than, greater than the left hand. Now we have some some words. It's just like a verb. The other time I said like a verb is an action word. So we want to take it one after another. For example now, we are seeing on àmì ohùn